Hey everybody, welcome to SAIFLASHES. In this video, we'll be showing you a glimpse of our online lash extension course on how to do lash extension. Before any application, you want to start by taping down your client's natural lashes. Here we're using our sensitive tape and hydro gel pad. You're just going to place the gel pad 0.5 to 1 centimeter away from the bottom natural lashes. And you're going to do the exact same thing on the other eye. Now you just want to grab your sensitive tape and tape down your client's bottom natural lashes. We're just going to be ripping off 2 inches, and you can start from the inner corner or the outer corner. Here I'm just starting from the outer corner and taping from the outer corner right across. And I'm going to be doing this the exact same thing, but just from the inner corner right across, creating an X shape. Once you've gotten your X shape, you're going to be ripping off your last piece of tape and just cover that X. And you just want to do the exact same thing on the other eye. After you tape down your client's bottom natural lashes, you can begin with the application. I'm just going to shake my glue from 30 to 60 seconds, just making sure all of the ingredients are mixed up. And I'm going to be placing a pea-sized amount onto the glue ring. Now you just want to make sure that you have the correct lash lines. Over here I'm doing a volume full set, so this means I'm going to be using 0.05 decurl and I'm going to be using 8 to 13 millimeters. Now I'm just going to begin with the application. Here I am hand making all of the fans and applying them on the spot, but what you can do is just pre-make your fans, store them in a lash container and use them for later. But I'm just going to be using the pinching method. I find that this method is easy to use, creates the most symmetrical fans, and is time efficient as well. So the average person has approximately 90 to 150 natural lashes per upper eyelid, and we want to make sure that we lash and cover about 90 to 99% of their natural lashes. This is especially important when we do a classic set, so the set can appear fuller and have better retention. It is really important to be using cruelty-free vegan synthetic lash extensions. Here I'm using our premium silk lash extensions that are eco-friendly and vegan. And this will also assure that your client won't have an animal hair allergy. A full set should take about 2 to 3.5 hours. Here I'm just lashing all of my clients' natural lashes, and I'm making sure that each natural lash is in its appropriate growing state. This means that I'm not lashing any of the lash hairs that are in the growing phase, which is also known as the anagen hairs. In our Beginner's Masterclass, we teach you about classic, hybrid, volume, and mega volume lash extensions. We demonstrate multiple isolation and fanning techniques, and we also go over business marketing and teach you how to kickstart a successful lash business. I'm done lashing and I did a full coverage, I'm going to be nanomisting and fanning my client's lashes. Now, you want to start with the nanomister and you're going to be nanomisting for basically 10 seconds each eye at a 10-inch distance. Here I'm just using our bladeless fan, and you can either give it to your client to hold or you can hold it for them and just fan their lashes for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we could just gently remove the gel pad and tape and do the exact same thing on the other eye. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're looking to become a certified lash technician and enroll in our online training, please contact us via DM on Instagram or email SAIFLASHES@hotmail.com.